Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you're like me, you want coffee, you want your machine to work when you go to make your coffee, not fiddle around with it. This is for the Keurig K-Cup Compact and all the lights getting stuck on. Because there's not much out there about resetting this. No matter what you do, nothing. You can unplug it, and I'll plug it back in. Nothing. Can't turn it off. The trick that I've learned to fix this, make sure this is open. Hold the power button down and select small, medium, big, small, medium, big, small, medium, big. Still not working. Yep. Okay, so you have to close it. Select small, medium, big, small, medium, big, small, medium, big, while holding the power button after opening and closing this. You'll hear the pump kick on and everything will reset. I do this all the time to myself because I use one of these refillables. And if you put just a little bit too much coffee in there and the water can't go through there easy, it'll do that to you. I've dealt with this every time I've made coffee, day in, day out. This thing's only 30 days old. Hopefully this helps everybody. And hopefully you can finally get back to making your coffee. Leave a like on the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Bye.